Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity to talk about something that's scarily common and can really mess up your day. Man-in-the-middle attacks, or MITM attacks for short. We're talking about hackers potentially snooping on your every move online, stealing your passwords, your credit card info, maybe even your social security number. Not cool, right? That's why we're going to break it all down for you. We'll explore what MITM attacks actually are, how these sneaky attacks work, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself from becoming the next victim. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is a man-in-the-middle attack? Imagine this: you're trying to connect to your bank's website, but little do you know, a hacker has inserted themselves right in the middle of your connection. They're like that annoying friend who always intercepts your conversations, except this time, they're after your personal information. One common method is called packet sniffing, where hackers use special software to capture data packets traveling across a network. Another sneaky tactic is session hijacking, where the attacker takes over an existing connection between you and a legitimate website. Then there's SSL stripping, a technique used to downgrade a secure connection, making it vulnerable to eavesdropping. DNS spoofing is another popular method, redirecting your traffic to a fake website that looks identical to the real one. Public Wi-Fi networks are notorious for being vulnerable to MITM attacks. Hackers can easily intercept your data while you're sipping your latte and checking your emails at your favorite coffee shop. Okay, so we've covered some common types of MITM attacks, but how do these attacks actually work? Let's break it down into three main stages: interception, decryption, and manipulation. First, the interception stage. This is where the attacker positions themselves between you and your target, like a digital gatekeeper. Next comes decryption. If the data being transmitted is encrypted, the attacker will need to decrypt it to make sense of it. Finally, we have the manipulation stage. This is where the attacker can choose to modify the data being transmitted. They could inject malicious code into a website you're trying to access, steal your login credentials, or even redirect your payments to their own account. Think of it like this: you're sending a letter to your friend. The attacker intercepts the letter, opens it, reads its contents, and then decides whether to deliver it as is, modify it, or discard it altogether. Attackers exploit vulnerabilities in software and human behavior, targeting outdated systems with known security flaws, or using social engineering tactics to trick you into revealing your login credentials. So far, we've talked about the what and the how of MITM attacks. Now, let's get real and look at some real-world examples of how these attacks play out. One common scenario is public Wi-Fi risks. Imagine you're at a coffee shop connected to free Wi-Fi doing some online banking. Another target is phishing emails. Clicking a link in a phishing email could lead to a fake website. And then there's online banking exploits. Hackers target online banking platforms to steal money. They might use DNS spoofing to redirect you to a fake banking website. Businesses, governments, even military organizations can fall victim to MITM attacks. One famous example is the DigiNotar hack in 2011, where hackers issued fake SSL certificates for popular websites. Okay, I know that was a lot of technical information, but don't worry. There are plenty of things you can do to protect yourself. Always use encrypted connections. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar, and make sure the URL starts with HTTPS. Verify website certificates. Before entering sensitive information, check the certificate details. Secure your network. Use a strong password and WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Keep your software updated. Use strong, unique passwords. Be wary of suspicious links and attachments. Don't click on links from unknown senders or open attachments from suspicious emails. Well, there you have it, folks. That was our crash course on man-in-the-middle attacks. I know it's a lot to take in, but the most important takeaway is this: staying safe online is an ongoing process. By staying informed about the latest threats and taking the necessary precautions, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to these kinds of attacks. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of cybersecurity, a little knowledge can go a long way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity tips and insights. And as always, stay safe out there in the digital world.